Good morning, students. I welcome you all in science class. Today, I'm going to start a new lesson, which is third lesson, okay? And the name of the lesson is Materials of Daily Use. First, I will be giving you a brief introduction on this lesson, okay? In this lesson, you will be studying about the fibers, the different types of fibers, okay? In your previous class, you had studied about different types of fibers which we obtained from the plants. You have also learnt how cotton and jute fibers they are obtained and they are then woven to get the clothes. Once again I want to recall you that there are three types of fibers: plant fibers, animal fibers, and the synthetic fibers, isn't it? Now, what are plant fibers? Plant fibers are those fibers which are obtained from plants. Very simple, isn't it? The plant fibers are the fibers which are obtained from plants. Example: cotton, jute, flax, and hemp. Here you can see the diagram. The picture is shown over here. It is the picture of hemp, flax, isn't it? So hemp and flax, they are the plant fibers. Okay, so four examples of plant fibers are cotton, jute, flax, and hemp. Okay, next is animal fibers. What are animal fibers? The fibers which are obtained from animals. Simple. It is the animal fibers are the fibers which we obtain from animals. Some of the examples are wool. Wool is obtained from sheep. Another example is silk. Silk is obtained from silkworm. So these are the animal fibers. Next is the third type of fiber is artificial fiber. Other name for artificial fiber is synthetic fiber. Example: nylon, rayon, polyester, and plastic. Okay, nylon, rayon, polyester, and plastic. These fibers, they are artificial fibers. They are not the natural ones. They are synthetic fibers or artificial fibers. So what are artificial fibers? The fibers which are manufactured in industries by the human beings. Okay, the human beings, they manufacture these fibers in industries. They are known as the artificial fibers. Okay, as I told you earlier also, what are the examples? Nylon, polyester, and plastic. Okay, so these are the three types of fibers: the plant fiber, animal fiber, and the synthetic or the artificial fibers. I had also discussed about the examples also. Now the time comes for us to understand that why do we wear clothes, isn't it? We all wear clothes in order to protect ourselves from heat, to protect ourselves from cold, dust, rain, and insects. Okay, so these are the reasons why we are wearing clothes. We all wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, dust, rain, and insects. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about how the fibers like wool and silk are obtained from animals. So here we are going to study about the animal fibers. What are the animal fibers? The wool and silk. We are going to study how wool and silk are obtained from animals. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to discuss about wool. What is wool? Oon. In Hindi we call as oon. And we wear woolen clothes during the winter season. Why do we wear sweaters and woolen clothes in winters? In order to protect ourselves from the cold, isn't it? During the cold climatic conditions, we used to wear woolen clothes. Why? In order to protect ourselves from cold, so that we are not feeling cold, so we wear woolen clothes. Now, what is wool? Wool is a fiber. Like cotton is a fiber, in the same way wool is also a fiber. From where it is obtained? It is obtained from the animals like sheep, goat, yak, and lamb. Okay, I have told you four animals from where wool is obtained. Wool is obtained from sheep, goat, yak, and lamb. Okay, now the animals from which we are getting wool, they are having a thick coat of hair. Have you seen sheep in pictures? Isn't it? You must have seen the sheep. What have you seen? You must have seen that on their body they are having the thick coat of hair, isn't it? What does they are having the thick coat of hair, and what is there? It is the wool only. Okay, and can you tell me that why these animals, they are having the thick coat of hair on their body? Why are they having thick coat? It is because air is a bad conductor of heat, isn't it? Air is poor conductor of heat. Air does not conduct heat. So if they are having the thick coat of hair on their body, then this thick coating of hair, it traps a lot of air. Okay, it traps a lot of air. Then what will happen if the air is trapped? Then what will happen? An insulating barrier gets created. Okay, I hope I am clear. An insulating barrier gets created. So as a result, they won't be feeling cold. Okay, so as a result, they won't be feeling cold, and the hair on their body, this hair, they protect the animal from cold, and as a result these animals, they feel warm. I hope you all have understood. I will repeat what happens. These animals, they are having hair on their body, thick coat of hair I should say. This thick coat of hair, they trap a lot of air on air. Okay, and we all know that air is bad conductor of heat. Air does not conduct heat. So as a result, since air is bad conductor of heat, insulating barrier gets created. Okay, since there is insulating barrier, this hair then protects their body from cold. They won't be feeling cold, and as a result these animals feel warmth. Okay, next, wool is what? Wool is a fiber which is obtained from the fleece, that is the hairy growth of these animals. Okay, wool is a fiber which is obtained from fleece. What is fleece? Fleece is the hairy growth on their body. Okay, fleece is the hairy growth on their body. Fleece is the thick covering of wool on the sheep. Sheep के body में जो thick covering होती है wool की, okay, that is called fleece, and this fleece is used to make a piece of clothing. A piece of cloth is being made by fleece. Okay, I will repeat. Wool is a fiber which is obtained from fleece. Then what is fleece? Fleece is the thick covering of wool on the body of sheep, which is used to make a piece of clothing. Okay, so this wool fiber is made up of protein. किससे बनता है wool fiber? Wool fiber is made up of protein. Generally, you must have seen in TVs and all that wool is white in color. Although it can also be of two more colors, brown or grey. White भी होता है, कभी-कभी brown and grey color की भी होती है. Okay, this wool is mainly derived from sheep. Okay, wool is mainly derived from sheep. Now you must be thinking of what is the difference between fleece and fleece क्या है और hair क्या है. As I told you earlier that fleece is the thick covering of wool on the sheep. Sheep के body की जो thick covering होती है, okay, the thick covering of wool on the sheep, it is fleece which is used to make a piece of clothing. Understood? And what is hair? Hair क्या है? It is the mass of thin thread-like structure. Okay, thin thread-like structure that grows out of the skin. Skin से grow करता है, and it is the mass of thin, very thin thread-like structure जो होती है, thread-like structure जो होती है, जो कि skin से grow करती है, that is hair. Okay? Okay. Now, as we all know that the sheep's body is having thick coat of hair, having a thick coating of hair. Now, this hairy skin of sheep, two types of hair. I hope I am clear. The hairy skin of sheep, it has two types of hair. Okay, first type of hair is very fine, soft under hair that are present close to the skin. Okay, first type of hair is under the which is present close to the skin. First type of hair is the fine. It is soft under hair which is present close to the skin. Okay, which is the second type of hair? The second type of hair is the coarse beard hair. Coarse means it is rukha. Okay, it is rough. Coarse means rough. It is the second type of hair is coarse beard hair. Okay, out of these two types of hair, the fine, soft under hair, it provides the fibers for making wool. For example, the wool which we see in the markets and all, from where that wool is obtained, that type of wool is obtained. It is obtained from the फाइन सॉफ्ट अंडर हेयर, दैट इज द अंडर हेयर. दो तरह के हेयर्स होते हैं. एक होता है जो कि स्किन के बिल्कुल क्लोज है, विच इज वाइट, सॉरी इट इज फाइन सॉफ्ट अंडर हेयर. और दूसरा तरह का कौन सा हेयर है? दैट इज coarse beard. And the wool which we obtain, which we are getting, okay, which we see in the market, that wool is obtained from where? It is obtained from the fine soft under hair. Okay, am I clear? It is obtained from the fine soft under hair. Now there are some breeds of sheep and they are chosen to give birth to sheep which possess fine soft hair only. For example, अगर कोई sheep है जिसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है, means under hair is very good. Okay, the quality of the under hair is very good, then that type of sheep is chosen. Why it is chosen? That type of sheep is chosen to give birth to sheep. And we all know it is, if a parent gives birth to the offspring, then the same characters will be found in the offspring also. जो parents में characters है, वही offsprings में भी characters होंगी, वही उनके बच्चों में भी वही character आएगा, isn't it? So this process in which the parents are selectively chosen. Okay, parents को select किया जाता है, उनको choose किया जाता है. Why? In order to obtain certain special features. कुछ चाहिए उनसे features, कुछ अलग features रहते हैं, that is very helpful, that is very good. Okay, so this is known as selective breeding. What is selective breeding? I will be repeating. It is the process in which the parents are selected, they are chosen in order to obtain certain special features in their offsprings. जो parents में जो special features है ना, वही offsprings में वो features आएंगे, इसलिए उनको breeding के लिए लाया जाता है. Okay, now next one is certain breeds of sheep, they are having thick coat of hair on their bodies. कोई किसी sheeps में कोई thick coating होती है, thick coat of hair that is found on their body. That thick coating of hair yield good quality wool in large quantities. Okay, कोई किसी sheeps की breeds में thick coating होती है, hair की thick coating में बहुत ही ज़्यादा, means max to max quality wise as well as quantity wise. Okay, quality and quantity wise अच्छी होती है. Okay, उन breeds को select किया जाता है and they are then bred with one parent being a sheep of a good breed. Okay, I will repeat this point again. There are certain breeds of sheep and those breeds of sheep, they are having thick coat of hair on their bodies. Okay, and this thick coat of hair which is found on their bodies, these sheep, they yield good quality wool in large amount. They are able to yield good quality wool in large amounts, in large quantities. So these types of sheep, these breeds of sheep, they are also selectively bred. Okay, they are also undergoing breeding process with one parent, that is being a sheep of a good breed. I hope I am clear.